Now, there is a spectrum of muscle tension in your body, from relaxed to very tense. What happens when your biceps contract? It shortens. Yes, it does. The length actually physically shortens. When you relax it, it physically lengthens. That's what happens with tubular muscles too. By the way, your bowels are tubular muscles. Did you know that? Okay, so say this is like a normal alert day. This is a blood vessel, okay? This is a tubular muscle. Blood vessels in your whole body, including your brain. Your brain is a physical part of your body. Say this is the normal alertness. You take caffeine, and guess what happens? It's a stimulant, and it makes every muscle in your body contract, even the tubular muscles. So it becomes like this. Wait, it's more narrow. It becomes like this. It's more alert. More alert. Okay? So if you take caffeine like 5 p.m. and you're laying in bed at 9 p.m. wondering why you can't sleep, it's because you turned this tension blood vessel into this tension blood vessel. And the only way for you to sleep, to my understanding, is to make it go to this, which is more relaxed. Okay, you're gonna sleep when you get a relaxed blood vessel. What does this have to do with a weighted blanket, okay? Now, when you are carrying something heavy, you release extra energy off your body,
as we do holding up a weighted blanket.
Unless you are extremely exhausted, you might tense up more. It's kind of like if you're like really adrenalized, then you want to go and release it via exercise. But if you're exhausted, if you make yourself work while you're exhausted, you will increase the adrenaline in your body because your body is, forcing itself to work. So you got to take that into consideration, what your current level of body tension is. Now, this is how it works for insomnia, okay, to my understanding. Remember these tubular muscles? The blood vessels in your brain? When you release tension from your skeletal muscles, the excess tension from here is shunted back into those muscles and released, drained from here. Shameless plug. Get one of these t-shirts if you want, and that was 2020. If you resonate with me and my channel, consider subscribing, and please like this video if it was entertaining or educational. Bye-bye.